In this video, we will see what is the effect when a white noise, which is a Gaussian random process, is passed through LTI low pass LTI system, which is a low pass filter here, having the impulse function HT and its Fourier transform HF. So we have already seen if white noise is passed through LTI system or any random process is passed through LTI system. If this random process is Weierstrass stationary random process, then output process will also be Weierstrass stationary random process. So if white noise is passed through LTI filter, which is a low pass filter, then you will get the colored noise. Why it is called colored noise? Because you will not get all the frequencies as in case of or there is a constant PSD for all the frequencies. In case of white noise, you will get some limited frequency range for the colored noise, or noise will impact on uh, few frequencies. So we have seen in the video of transmission of the random process through LTI system that output PSD, that is PSD of colored noise SNF, is equal to HF mod HF square. HF is from here, mod HF square into PSD of white noise. PSD of white noise is SWF. So this expression we have already seen in the video transmission of random process through LTI system. So we have taken that equation from there. So till now what I have told, that white noise we know already that white noise is a Weierstrass stationary random process, and it is passed through the LTI system, which is a low pass filter. You will get the colored noise and white noise. And if you pass any signal through the LTI system, and if it is Weierstrass stationary, then output will also be Weierstrass stationary. That means colored noise is also, if it is WSSRP, then it is also WSSRP, which we have already discussed. So let us see. So SWF, this graph we know that white noise has the PSD like this. Now this is your low pass filter HF. Okay, and SNF is what? SNF is multiplication of these two. That is PSD of colored noise is multiplication of these two. If you do the multiplication, you will get 1 into N naught by 2 is N naught by 2, but for the range minus B to B. So this is your power spectral density of colored noise. That's why it is called colored noise, because it is not appearing on all frequencies. It is appearing between minus B to B. Okay. So how you are going to write it? SNF is N naught by 2 in the range minus B to B, or mod F less than or equal to B. So we have to now find the autocorrelation function for the color noise. So what we have to find? We have to find we have found the PSD of this color noise, or output of the low pass filter when white noise is the input. We have found the PSD of this. Now we have to find the autocorrelation of this. So for that we have to use some Fourier transform pair. For that we are now here. We got the PSD of what? PSD of colored noise. This is the PSD of colored noise. We have a Fourier transform pair as sin 80 by pi t has Fourier transform x omega is equal to amplitude 1 minus a to a omega. This is there in the signal sound systems. So this Fourier transform pair is there. So we have to make uh, this and this similar, then only we can write its inverse Fourier transform as this one. Okay, so for that we if you compare this diagram and this, first change is here f is there, here omega is there. So make it as omega. For that you have to take here omega here. That for that you have to multiply it by 2 pi. So 2 pi b minus 2 pi b, there is no change here, and the y-axis will change to SNW. Okay, we are making it like this. So first we have changed the what it's instead of f we are writing it as omega. Now we will go backward, we will take inverse Fourier transform like this. So here 1 is for this one, so here n naught by 2 is, so we have written n naught by 2. Then sin 80, so we have written sine of a, instead of a there is 2 pi b, sine of 2 pi b t, and in the denominator there is pi t. So this is your PSD, this is your autocorrelation function, because autocorrelation function and PSD form the Fourier transform pair. So what you got, RNT, here t is written, that's why I am writing here RNT is equal to n naught by 2 sine 2 pi b t divided by pi t. Now let us write it in sinc function. Sinc x is equal to sin x divided by pi x. Let us do some modification to have the sinc x. So for sinc x, here these two should be same na, x. So here 2 pi beta, so here pi is there, pi t is there, so what we are going to write it as, it is instead of sine 2 pi bt, here sine 2 pi bt is there, we will take 2 here, so that becomes 2 pi, and b also we are going to here take here and multiply with b, so it will become we have to multiply it, so I feel here x is there only, sin x is sin x by x, yes. Okay, so that's why 2 pi bt, here we have to make it 2 pi bt, 2 pi t is there, only b is remaining, so b is taken here and multiplied with b, so you will get n naught b is equal to sinc, oh, what is the modification here, where I am wrong here, so it should be, it is sin pi x, so the change is sinc x is equal to sin pi x by pi x. Okay, so that's why now we are here, we make it made these two similar. So in writing sinc we don't have to take the pi, so it is sinc 2 bt, sync to B2 BT and N naught B. So Rn tau is equal to so Rnt is equal to N naught B sync 2 BT. So Rn tau is equal to N naught B sync of 2B tau. Instead of t we are writing tau. So once again I will explain this one. So Rnt is, you are getting this one, we have to write it in sync form. For that you need here B, so you have written here b and multiplied with b. Now this total part is sinc pi x by pi x is equal to sinc x, so we are not writing pi, we are writing sinc 2bt. So here the modification is sin pi x by pi x is equal to sinc x. So you got n naught b sync 2bt. So Rn tau is n naught b sync of 2b tau. So in short we are drawing here that this is the low pass filter HT. White noise is passed through it, we get colored noise. White noise has the PSD like this, and white noise has the autocorrelation like this, and then we got the PSD of the colored noise like this, and also the PSD autocorrelation function of the autocorrelation function of what that colored noise is like this, which is a sync function. Now how to draw the sync function, so or from this drawing also you can write the sync function. Sync function is here n naught b sync of 2b tau. So how to write is n naught b, you have to write here, and sync has the zero crossover frequencies. So how, what are these zero crossover frequencies? For this 2b tau you put it as plus or minus k. So tau is equal to plus or minus k by 2b. So k is equal to 1 2 3 any integer. So you got here 1 by 2b, then 2 by 2b, 3 by 2b, minus 1 by 2b, minus 2 by 2b, minus 3 by 2b, likewise. So this is the sinc function which we obtain here. Okay, so from this we can comment that the sinc function is autocorrelation function here, which is 0 value at the when tau equal to plus or minus k by 2b. So we can comment that in colored noise, that is NT, uh, the if two samples are separated by plus or minus k by 2b, they are uncorrelated, orthogonal, as well as statistically independent. All these terms are already we have discussed in previous videos. Because if autocorrelation is equal to 0, because here the tau tau equal to plus or minus k by 2b, autocorrelation equal to 0, that's mean they are orthogonal. If they are orthogonal, if autocorrelation is 0, mean is already 0, because these are 0 mean processes, then covariance is also equal to 0. If covariance is 0, they are uncorrelated and statistically independent. While in case of white noise, two samples any two samples are uncorrelated, orthogonal, as well as statistically independent. But in this case, where the we passed white noise through the ideal low pass filter, we are getting that this noise has two samples which are separated by plus or minus k2b, are orthogonal or uncorrelated or statistically independent. Covariance is equal to correlation minus mean square. So correlation is 0, mean is 0, so covariance is also 0. So so this is it for this video. Thank you.